Yo, what's up everyone, Muhamad back with another video. Today we have the Huawei wireless charger to unbox it, so let's get with it. So that's the box. As you can see here, that's the wireless charger. As you can see here, 15 watts and shit. Yeah, let's go. So let's got this shit. Okay. Now move that shit and start. Oh shit, some tape. What's in the box actually? Wireless charger, USB Type-C cable, and an adapter. That's cool. Let's see what's in there. Okay. That's good. Okay. Okay, so that's the box. Wireless charger and the cables. Let's move this thing. See what's in here. How do we open? Oh, we actually flip it. Okay. From here. Okay, what's that? Okay. Okay, there's some manual, I guess. It's pretty heavy though. Let me check. Yeah, there's some manual too. That's good. Now it's empty. So we have a warranty card and a manual. That's cool. So that's the adapter, as you can see here. Up to 40 watts. That's good. And a USB Type-C, I guess. Let me open that thing. Yeah, it's USB Type-C. Okay. And so the cables. And now let's see the charger itself. Wow, it's pretty thin though. That's the USB Type-C, so you can like plug it in. And there's something to protect it, I guess. And that's some info about it. 50 watt, 5 volt and shit, yeah. Alright. It's from Huawei. Let's see if there's something more in here in the box. Nothing. So you get in the box the wireless charger, the brick, the cable of course, and a warranty card and a manual in Arabic or English in all languages, I guess. Yeah. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, hope you like it and comment in it and see what you like in the video. So see you in the next one.